Every single day, millions of products travel across the world. From Amazon's warehouses to your doorstep. From Apple's factories to global stores. From farms to supermarkets. But here's the shocking part. A single delay in any one step can cost companies millions of dollars. For example, in 2021, सिर्फ एक ship ever given Suez Canal में अटक गया था. Just one ship. और दुनिया भर का ट्रेड का ट्रैफिक 12% रुक गया. और डेली ग्लोबल लॉस $9.6 billion. And this incident gave companies a reality check. That supply chain is not just back-end, it's the backbone. And as the World Economic Forum says, if supply chain breaks, the economies break. So before we go further, a quick note for all of you. This video is divided into two parts. Part 1 is everything you must understand about how the world moves, the foundation, the impact, and some global examples. And in part 2, we'll get practical. We'll look at countries, universities, salaries, careers, and your complete roadmap. So, let's start with the basics. What is supply chain management? Now imagine you ordered a phone. Simple, right? A click or bus, delivery is on the way. But in reality, there's so much happening behind that one click. Raw materials from different countries, manufacturing in another country, shipping by sea or air, custom clearance, warehousing, inventory planning, transportation, delivery partner, return management if the product is damaged. Now this entire journey from raw materials to final delivery is called supply chain. And इस पूरी जर्नी को स्मूथ, फास्ट और कॉस्ट इफेक्टिव और रिस्क फ्री बनाने का काम होता है सप्लाई चेन मैनेजमेंट का. टू अंडरस्टैंड इट बेटर, लेट्स लुक एट 3 ग्लोबल एग्जांपल्स. एग्जांपल 1, Amazon प्राइम डिलीवरी. Amazon ने सप्लाई चेन को इतना स्ट्रॉन्ग बना दिया है कि 1 डे डिलीवरी नॉर्मल लगती है. वेयरहाउसेस, रोबोटिक्स, डेटा एनालिटिक्स, रूट ऑप्टिमाइजेशन सब एक कोऑर्डिनेटेड चेन में काम करते हैं. Speaking of coordination, Zara uses the same principle but in fashion. With this, the example 2 is Zara fashion brand. Zara हर 2 से 3 हफ्ते में new designs launch करता है because of a fast supply chain. Design, production, store, customer, everything. Everything moves like a lightning. And then there's Tesla's, which takes a slightly different approach. With this, the example 3 is about Tesla, and Tesla uses vertical integration, मतलब maximum production in-house. इससे cost कम, speed high और innovation fast होती है. So bottom line, a good supply chain can make a company successful, and a weak supply chain can destroy it. And this is exactly why supply chain is such a hot career field globally. Now, why supply chain is booming globally? According to global reports, supply chain market का size 2020 में $20 billion था, और by 2040, it's expected to reach $75 billion plus. Now, why this boom? Let's break it down. Globalization. Companies worldwide import-export करते हैं. Logistics, warehouse, transport, सब कुछ interconnected है. And the second reason is e-commerce explosion. Flipkart, Amazon, Meesho, Alibaba, हर minute millions of orders. And efficient supply chain का मतलब है survival. Reason third, shortage of skilled professionals. हर country demand कर रही है. US, UK, Germany, Australia, Singapore, UAE. But trained supply chain experts, shortage. Reason 4, high salaries. Companies depend on supply chain managers for cost saving. High impact का मतलब होता है high pay. And as the World Bank points out, countries with strong supply chain recovers faster from the economic shocks. And speaking of careers, this leads to the next question. Why study supply chain management abroad? And this is especially for Indian students. Now let's keep it simple. Global exposure का मतलब है global jobs. अब abroad आपको real supply chains देखने को मिलते हैं. Ports, warehouses, automation, robotics, AI-driven logistics, everything. And reason 2, more career options. In transportation, procurement, planning, demand forecasting, inventory, warehouse, analytics. हर इंडस्ट्री नीड्स सप्लाई चेन मैनेजर्स, चाहे वो रिटेल हो, फार्मा हो, लग्जरी ब्रांड्स हो, एविएशन हो, ऑटोमोटिव हो, टेक हो, सब. And third reason is higher salary. US, UK, Germany, Netherlands. Supply chain salaries are 2 to 4 times higher as compared to India. Reason 4, better learning environments. Simulation labs, warehouse visits, logistics tool, SAP training, predictive analytics, everything. If you are planning to study abroad, SCM can be a very strong career. And now that you understand what supply chain really is and why the world depends on it more than ever, we are ready to move to the next part of the journey. Part 2 will be uploaded very soon. So stay tuned because that's where we discuss the right country, the right university, the right pathway for your supply chain career.